How to uninstall or reinstall the Libertex app. First of all, unlock your phone and go to the home screen or app menu where all installed apps are listed. Find the Libertex app icon, then tap and hold on it for a few seconds until options appear on the screen. From the options, tap on uninstall and confirm your choice. Wait a moment while the app is removed completely from your device. Once uninstalled, make sure the app icon is no longer visible, which confirms the process is complete. Next, to reinstall the Libertex app, open the Play Store again. Tap on the search button in the bottom right corner, then tap on the search bar and type Libertex. From the search result, select the official Libertex app developed by Libertex International Company. Open the app page and tap on the install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically, so keep your internet connection stable during this time. After the installation finishes, tap on Open to launch the app. Allow any required permissions so the app can run smoothly. You can now log in with your existing account or create a new one if needed. Now you know how to uninstall or reinstall the Libertex app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips.